first of all, thanks to Moneyworks for you team for organizing such a fabulous event. It's a privilege to hear all of you. We have been reading your tweets, listening to your podcast, but it's a privilege to hear you live over here. My question is more on diversification. We hear a lot about diversify between different market cap, diversify between different styles. What are your views on diversification from global investment perspective? How important role does global investment play in one's portfolio?
It's clearly dependent on whether you need it or not. There is no hard and fast rule that करना ही है global investing. Second thing is कि global investing के बारे में जब सोचते हैं तो we think about countries. We think about कि मुझे US में invest करना है, China में करना है. But the crux of the matter is that you invest in companies, not in countries. So there are a lot of companies globally जो इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं हो बिजनेस. वन बड़ा कॉफी मेकर इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है, बहुत अच्छे एप्रिल मेकर्स इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है, बहुत सारी टेक कंपनीज हैं इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो इफ यू थिंक एज एन इन्वेस्टर यू वांट दैट कंपाउंडिंग फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन, then I think it's a good option. Second is to diversify away from OTIs. That is also one reason that you can go and invest. But वो diversification को gold नहीं दे रहे हैं. So I think it is actually dependent on your own needs. I would say that for majority of investors, it may not be required. क्योंकि इंडिया में domestically कोई dearth नहीं है. There is no dearth of ideas or asset class. If you have a big large equity market, you have a good debt market to invest in. Maybe taxation is a problem, but you have commodities to invest in. You also have REITs now, so there is no dearth. But if you want to get extra, ideas to play out in your portfolio, of course you can seek some global diversification, which will definitely add a different earnings stream to your portfolio. Maybe अभी आपके portfolio companies की earnings are more dependent on what's happening domestically and in the export sector. That will give you a very different flavor to your portfolio, which probably domestic investing will not.